back-to-back wins for Signal ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa naging galaw ng team, especially with Catherine joining the team?
Sobrang happy, of course, kasi siyempre panalo, really sa win pa rin. Kahit na 5 sets yan, and that's our goal, kailangan makakulit kami ng panalo. And we're so happy again and proud sa team namin, especially kay Erica, our girl, and of course, the help of our team coach. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dos. And birthday girl, Erica Santos. Nung fourth, going into the fifth set, dun mo talaga nahanap yung rhythm mo. Siguro paano lang yung naging adjustments mo during the first few sets and nakuha mo yung game mo later in that game against her?
Siguro pinapahalagahan ko lang yung mga set na binibigay. Kasi parang familiar na kami sa set sa so parang hindi na para maghanapan pa ng iba. Kapag nag-aako na lang ng responsibility.
Thank you. And for Katrin, your first game here in the PBL, you joined the conference midway, but what can you say about how you performed tonight with the team?
I obviously am super glad that we won, and it was, for me, it was a tough performance, and I hope I could just help the team more in the future, and everybody was super supportive, super helpful. Everybody is very, very good here, so I'm just grateful to be a part of this team, and hopefully I can help them do even better in the future.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Catherine, you only had a short time to prepare with your new team. How did you embrace the challenge?
Last night was the first night I actually got more than 4 hours of sleep, so preparing is very rough, but again, everybody is super, super helpful and accommodating, and they're helping me in practice, they're helping me be in the best shape I can with the 4 hours of sleep, so yeah, it was a great challenge, and I really enjoyed it.
Coach and Erica, ano naman masasabi niyo sa kanya so far? May malaki agad yung impact niya na pinakita sa laro kanina.
Siguro sa amin, like sa teammates niya, nakakatulong siya kasi factor siya ng parang, kasi like yung mood niya and explosive siya. So, nag-challenge din kami. So, thankful kami kasi na-share niya experience niya sa amin.
For me ako, yung first day pa lang na namin ko siya sa training, nakita ko yung adrenaline, yung pagiging aggressive, and jolly, and of course yung pagiging athletic na talaga. So, hopefully yun nga, maka-adjust, and magbibigay din namin kung ano yung kailangan niya. For sure kasi mabibigay niya kung ano kailangan.
Coach, bilang sa PBL, hindi na tayo magkaroon ng import switch in the middle of the conference. Siguro personally for you, paano nyo lang tinik yung pressure na yung challenge na yun na with the new import, kailangan makaproduce ako ng mas maganda?
Siguro for me, yung tiwala ko rin muna sa mga local players namin. Kasi siyempre, doon talaga magagaling lahat. And of course, pag may import tayo, additional for us para mas masumakas yung team. And I think yung itong dalawang panalo namin yung nag-boost din ang moral namin. And we're so happy na yun nga, nakakuha ulit kami ng dalawang panalo. And I think yung pressure, meron or walang import, laging meron, lagi lang naman yun nandyan. Siguro yung pag-handle lang. And then kung paano rin kami maging role model sa team namin, especially ako, kung paano ko rin dadalhin yung team namin, kung paano ko rin sila iaangat kahit na anong sitwasyon meron. So,
what made you decide to join the Summer Spartans and play here in PBL?
I actually wanted to come to the Philippines in the beginning of the season, but it just didn't work out, and then when this opportunity came up, I was like, yes, 100%, I'm coming. And I don't know, like, that's it. I just thought it was a great opportunity. I thought the team was pretty good, so really good actually. And yeah, it just there was no question. I was like, okay, I'm going. Now I'm here.
What are your goals during the PBL, especially this first time?
So can you repeat that?
What are your goals during the PBL?
Goals. My goals are to win everything we can, every match from now on, starting today obviously, and enjoy the rest of the season with the teams. They're amazing. I really love all of them, and I just want to be as happy with them as we can, winning everything.
game niyo will be against Capital One, your last game of Pool E. So, paano niyo lang ititreat yung game na yan?
Siyempre, mag-prepare talaga kami mabuti kasi last game ng first round. And of course, like sinabi ko kanina, magandang boost para sa amin na going to our last game. Pero mas aaralin talaga namin kung ano yung kayang gawin ng strength ng Capital One para mas top namin, especially the three players nila. And of course, mag-recover and hopefully, especially KA kasi syempre kailangan nyo ng sleep talaga, more sleep. So, ayun muna. And then we'll enjoy din namin ito panalo.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,
Okay.
Area. Thank you,
Thank you.
Captain.